This video, I'm going to go over this water bottle holder for a bicycle here. Now I've got mine on the mock wheel right here. This actually came as a 2-pack. So I got one that I'm going to put on this bike, then I have another bike that I'm going to use this one on. But what I'm going to do for y'all is I'm just going to show you everything you get. So they came down in this box right here. They actually included some extra hardware. You guys see that? But my bikes both had the hardware already installed on it. And I've got this Camelback Podium water bottle. That's the one I mostly use right there. Check out how nicely it holds that water bottle in place. So the design of this thing, it curls around right here, and then it's got this kick up right here. You can see where the 2 holes is, and it seems to hold it nicely. And see that right there? So if your water bottle has an edge that goes up, it's gonna hold it on that edge. Very tough. So, and then it's got this bottom piece right here that seems to work just great. I've ridden this, I've jumped, I've moved around. It's not came out. It seems to hold it very good. Look how you can't even really spin. You can, but it's like tough in there, and it seems to lock into place nicely. Let me bounce the bike up and down and show you guys what it's like when the bike's bouncing. You notice that some water bottles just come flying out if you bounce them up like that, but that's actually holding in there really well. Yeah, I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think these are going to be great going forward, and hopefully it'll keep the water bottle held in place. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the 2-pack water bottles. See you all in the next video.